The final step to screen printing with stencils is to clean your screen, and a very, very, very important step to keep that silk nice and clean. I usually do this outside with a hose, just a gentle like garden hose, water the grass, but today we're in the studio, so we're just going to do it in the studio, and if you don't have a big space at home, then you can just get a bucket and do the same as me. I think it's really good to take the masking tape off because it does stick and leave a residue on your silk as well. So after each print run, take all that masking tape off. And because we used plastic acetate stencil, you can keep your stencil, you can wash it or you don't have to, and you can use it again. This was the stencil that just had the little bits, so they are keepable if I want to keep them. But yeah, just really important to get all of that ink out of the screen. You might see on this screen it says it's jungle time. That's just an old print, and what it's done on there is called ghosting. So it's just left, it's just stained the silk essentially. And it's looking pretty good. Thank you for watching. You can find more videos from Territory artists at channelnt.com.au.